By destroying my greatest invention, I made something even better. Friends. Wow.
You made me very proud, son.
Thank you, Dad.
Sorry.
Sam Sparks, in the 8 minutes since we saved the world, I've had time to reflect. And I think you and I should have a place together.
A place?
A place where we work?
You think we work together?
I do.
Thank you.
We could build a lab.
With cool weather forecasting devices.
Where we can invent fantastic machines like the Flintstoner.
Yeah! But not that one.
No.
Not ever.
Never, ever, ever. What shall we call our lab?
Oh, how about Sparkswood?
Ooh, Sparkswood.
Sparkswood is gonna need some security.
And I can be your mascot!
And I can be your dad.
There are many ways in which I can help.
Oh, can't forget you, lab partner.
Steve!
Where'd he get the brown crayon?
This could be our future.
Oh, yeah!
Greetings, friends, and namaste.
Whoa, is that
Chester V?
mustache?
Please have some humanitarian aid as a gesture of our goodwill.
Chester V! Whoa, your lab vest looks even cooler in person.
Thank you. The lack of sleeves frees up my arms to do this.
Whoa. Ah! Hand, what did you do?
There's nothing wrong with your hand, young Lockwood. You see, I am merely a hologram of the real Chester V. The United Nations has asked me and my Thinkwonauts to assist in the cleanup and containment of the leftovers all over the world, including your Swallow Falls. We'll get started on the cleanup right away, as soon as you all leave.
What? You need us to leave?
Listen up, Ghost Man. You expect us to skedaddle from our homes just because of some nasty leftovers?
Yes, I do.
Son, you can't argue with yellow police tape. Everybody back up! Listen to Ghost Man!
But do not fret. All of you will be temporarily relocated to sunny San Fran Jose, California!
The Holoclip Corps!
On my word as a hologram, you shall all return home before you know it. Except for you, Flint Lockwood.
Me? Why?
No, you are going to...
Wait, no. Where am I going?
Oh, please tell me!
Just give it a second. He's buffering. You are going to join me at LiveCorps and help us make the world a better place.
Sir, that's all I've ever wanted. But I can't. On account of making a promise 2 minutes ago to build a lab with my friends? Sir?
I understand, Lockwood. But if you become a Thinkwanaut like me, then all your dreams will come true.
You have to do this!
What about our dream?
Flint, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We're all behind you.
Are you guys sure?
Sure.
Sir, I've taken care of everything. The locals have been evacuated.
Splendid. And the inventor?
Oh, he took the job.
Outstanding. Now we can keep an eye on him. He has no idea of our real plan. Contact me as soon as Operation Capture the Invention succeeds.
Cheeseburger.